Hello, welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. On his latest single titled Dancehall Prophecy, dancehall artist Mavado addresses his embattled teenage son who is currently behind bars awaiting trial for murder. On the track produced by JA Productions, the Gully God also tackles his recent shooting incident and detractors in the music industry. Visuals for the track showcase aspects of his professional life, like touring with hip-hop producer DJ Khaled, intertwined with his personal life, as some clips feature his wife and children, and in one pic his son Dante Brooks is featured with two of Vybz Kartel's sons, Little Vybz and Little Addy, aka PG-13. Mavado's son Dante, along with another man, were charged for the June 5 murder of Lorenza Thomas in Cassava P. St. Andrew. He's facing charges of murder, conspiracy to commit murder, shooting with intent, and illegal possession of a firearm and ammunition. The St. Andrew Parish Court was told on September 21 that the post-mortem report is not ready, so a date cannot be set for the preliminary inquiry. The teen, who is being housed at the Metcalf Street Secure Juvenile Remand Center, was denied bail last month and is scheduled to return to court on October 17. Meanwhile, come Saturday, December 1, Mavado and fellow artists Alkaline and Jamil will perform for the first time in Queens, New York under the moniker MVP. Author Margarita Rain recently launched her second book titled Forget It, What's the Point? The insightful literary book chronicles her own life experiences, lessons, and epiphanies, which she hopes will inspire others. It features guest writer Archbishop Desmond Tutu, who authored the book's foreword. Margarita Rain is also the author of Free and Laughing Spiritual Insights in Everyday Moments, published back in 2008. Forget It, What's the Point will additionally be launched in South Africa this month. Now, patrons were treated to a tasteful serving of entertainment last Saturday at the Pan 2018 Region 2 show at Independence Park in Black River, St. Elizabeth. 31 competitors from 6 parishes participated at Region 2 cook-off, with first and second place winners advancing to the grand finals. Comedian and broadcaster Dufton Shepherd and Fluffy Diva Miss Kitty entertained patrons with games, trivia, and giveaways.
Put on the red stripe, please. When I tell you to go, it's about the push-up. You also have to balance the red stripe on the back. The ladies will be there to guide you and to ensure that you do it right.
Which set the stage for the electrifying entertainment package, which featured headliners gospel singer Rondell Positive, dancehall stars TJ and Shayna, and chart topper Wayne Marshall. The Pan 2018 competition culminates on October 28 at the National Stadium in Kingston and will showcase performances from artists like Ghost, Shensia, Ding Dong, and Wayne Wonder. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.